to Simply Krissy. A couple weeks ago, I had posted a picture of how I got this braid out on my Instagram, and I had asked people to comment a blue heart if they had wanted me to film this tutorial. And I got quite a few blue hearts. I also got a couple of comments like, how'd you do this tutorial, video girl, blah blah blah, whatever. So I went ahead and I recreated that hairstyle, and I'll leave the picture that I uploaded right here so you guys can see it. But people really love this mini braid tutorial braid out, and I did this with about 26 braids in my hair, and I just absolutely love this really defined, like really defined braid out. It just does something for me. If you guys would like to see how I get this hairstyle, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your post notifications so you can stay updated. Also guys, I have came out with my own t-shirt line, and this is one of my designs. It says I love my relaxed hair. If you guys would like to check out my t-shirt designs, there is a link down below that you can go ahead and purchase these designs. Anyways guys, I will talk to you another time. Bye.